Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix weak suction on your DREAME D20 Plus. If the suction on your vacuum is low, then first of all you will need to look under the cover of the robot to see if everything is alright with the dustbin. Remove it by squeezing this button like that. And then look at the filter. If it is visibly dirty, you should remove it and clean the filter. You can rinse it with water, but remember, if you do, make sure to let it air dry for at least 24 hours before putting it back in. Then empty the dustbin if there's anything in it. Yeah, I do have quite a few things in there. There's something weird even stuck to it. Yeah, you should definitely empty the dustbin, and you can also rinse it with water, and also make sure it air dries for at least 24 hours before you put it back in. Now I'll put the filter back on because I didn't rinse it, and now put everything into the robot. The next thing is to make sure your brush isn't stuck, isn't tangled. So flip your robot over, make sure that this brush can spin freely. It's motored, so it may require a little force to do it, but it should smoothly rotate. Now look at these brushes if they can also freely move. If there's anything wrong with them, or even if not, it's worth cleaning them by squeezing these two buttons together, removing the cover, and then taking out the brush. Now you can remove tangled hair by cutting them with knife or scissors, and then rinse the brushes with water. Make sure that this dust canal isn't clogged with anything, and then put the brushes back in. Make sure that the orange one goes towards the front of the robot and the black one goes towards the back of the robot. Then close the cover. Make sure it sits nicely. It's actually not the easiest to install, but once you put it in, make sure that once you pull these notches in the front of the robot, then that the whole mechanism moves and not just the cover. Now, if none of that helped, you may want to actually adjust the suction settings in the app. Maybe you have it set to quiet mode and that's why it's not working. Yeah, let's go to the app and then make sure to click on custom. You can select vacuum or vacuum and mop, and then change the suction power to quiet, standard, intense, or max. So if your suction power is not enough, try setting it to a higher level and it should fix it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.